ChatGPT Image 2.0 is here and it changes everything. Look at this image. This was made by AI just few months ago. And look at this one. Same AI, same company, but completely different result. Every single word is perfect. No blur, no broken letters, no weird spelling, just perfect text inside an AI generated image. OpenAI just dropped ChatGPT Image 2.0 and honestly, this might be the biggest update in AI image generation history. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it can do and what's new and how you can use it right now. So if you are into AI, content creation or just curious about what's happening in tech, stay till the end because the last feature I show you is going to blow your mind. Let's get into it. Before we talk about what's new, let me give you a very quick background so everything makes sense. OpenAI has been making image generation for a long time. First there was DALL-E, then DALL-E 2, then DALL-E 3. These were all separate tools connected to ChatGPT. But in March 2025, OpenAI did something different. They built image generation directly inside the ChatGPT model called GPT Image 1. No separate tool, just ask ChatGPT for an image and it makes one. Then came GPT Image 1.5 in December 2025. That was faster and more accurate. And now, just in April 2026, ChatGPT Image 2 is here and this is not a small update. OpenAI rebuilt this from scratch and they also officially retired DALL-E 2 and DALL-E 3. They are gone on May 12, 2026. GPT Image 2 is their only image model now. That tells you how confident they are in this. Okay, so let's talk about what's actually new. And I'm going to show you everything live on screen. Open ChatGPT app on your phone and then select on create an image. After then write a prompt which is related to your idea or your image and then click on generate image. In few seconds your AI image will be generated and it will look like human made that image. And wow, it looks so attractive. The number one improvement, and this is huge. Before this, you ask AI to put inside an image, like a poster, a logo, a banner. It will mess up the spelling. Sometimes letters were backward. Sometimes words were completely wrong. GPT Image 1.5 had about 90 to 95% accuracy on text. That sounds good, right? But 90% accuracy means for every 10 words, one word will be that's a disaster. Look at this GPT Image 2 has over 99% accuracy on text. Every single word, every single letter. Correct? That's not just an improvement. That's completely different product. This one is actually crazy. GPT Image 2 can search the web while it's generating your image. So if you are asked for an infographic about something current, recent news,
ये तो लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ है.
recent product, trending topic, it can look that up in real time and include accurate information in your image. No other image model does this. This is what makes it a visual thought partner, not just a picture maker. You can now generate up to 10 images from the same prompt all at once. And here's the special part. The characters and objects stay consistent across all of them. If your character had a red jacket in image 1, it has a red jacket in image 10. Same face, same style. This is used for storytelling, comics, product mockups, anywhere consistency matters. Now you can generate images in many different styles. Square for Instagram, tall vertical for Reels or YouTube Shorts, wide horizontal for YouTube thumbnails, banners and more. Before, you were stuck in one size. Now you can create ones and get the format you need. Now I know some of you are thinking, what about Midjourney? What about other AI images tools? Let me be honest with you. For artistic images, beautiful illustrations, fancy art, concept art, Midjourney is still amazing. It has a very unique style and a great community. Now I want to be honest with you. No tool is perfect and GPT Image 2.0 has its limitations too, and that's ChatGPT Image 2.0. the most powerful AI image model available right now. From near perfect text rendering to thinking before generating to web search during creation. This is genuinely a new chapter for AI images. If this video helped you understand what's new, please give it a like. It really helps this channel grow and reach more people like you. If you have any question about ChatGPT Image 2.0, drop in the comments. I read every single one and I'll try to answer. And if you want to see more AI tutorials, tips and breakdowns like this, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.